SBA, we are almost to the end of the SBA, and I want you to remember that this SBA is 40% of your final grade. So it is very important to do well on the SBA because that ensures you have a good grade. Now your homework, well, for tomorrow, I would like us to have another session tomorrow around the same 11 o'clock. We would just work for an hour and you go off and do what you have to do. But this needs to be completed with the dimensions and the correct layers. And I'm going to post the video with this question. This is going to be our SBA question. So just look out for this. You're going to see a picture of it. Look out for this a little later. But now, what I would like us to do for the remainder of this session is to complete an assignment of fires. Now, in engineering, in industry, in any manufacturing place, in any business or institution, there is a threat of fire. And because there's a threat of fire, workers need to be fully aware of fires and fire safety. You understand everything so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you think that fires are problems? What do you think? I'm listening to you guys.
It's
Sorry?
burning.
I can't hear you.
No, I said I expect a little, like something like burnt, like equipment catching on fire or overheating.
Okay, good. So you think that fires are a real threat or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I need you to do is make sure that when you do this assignment, it is not a very long assignment. This is actually the shortest of the written ones. It could be 2 pages maximum. When you are doing this assignment, all you are doing is answering these questions, but in an informative way. What that means is that you are providing information to the reader as if the reader does not know. So let's say you are telling a 6-year-old about fires, or in this case, you're telling a 12-year-old about fires. So the first thing is you have your name, your candidate number, the title is fires. Introduction, explain why fires are dangerous. Explain why fire safety is important. We are clear on those 2 points?
Yes, sir.
All right. Theory, I'm not hearing you.
Yes, sir.
Now, the next thing here is for the body. So this is not a sentence. You are trying to make about 2 or 3 paragraphs. Why fires are dangerous, why fire safety is important. For the body, this is where you're going to get your marks from. There are different types or classes of fires, right? So you need to make sure that you understand and can express the different classes of fire extinguishers. So for this part in the body, you're going to explain there are different types of fires, and for a particular type of fire, you're going to require a particular type of fire extinguisher. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you can include pictures, you can include written info. Well, you must include written information, but you can include pictures. Then, for your conclusion, you are just going to recap fire safety is important because of X, Y, Z. So here's a little help that I'm going to give you. When I go on Google, I simply here type in why are fires important? No, it tells us why fires are important. Why is fire safety important? So information is provided on fire safety. You will do just, you open some of these sites, do a bit of reading. You're not copying and pasting the information. but you're using the information that you find. This is nothing that you need to come up with fully from your head. So when we go into the different types of fires and the different types of fire extinguishers, we go to Google again. What are the different types of fire extinguishers? And you can see some images come up. It tells you here that there's 6 main types. When we go to another site, it tells you fire extinguisher types. They're class B fires. We go a little further down. It says there are 4 classes of fire extinguishers. Regardless of the research that you do, you are explaining the different types or classes of fires, and you're providing information on the types of fire extinguishers. Let me give you an idea of how you can copy in an image. Any of these images here may be helpful or useful. Don't just choose the first one, and try your best to make sure it's not a blurry image. You want a clean image. So you can right click, open the image in a new tab, and just save it. And once you save it, you can add the information to it. You can save it, and once it is saved on your desktop, it is there in the download. You can drag in the picture which you may have downloaded for your fires. So the picture is there along with your written information. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so with that being said, I am going to stop the session here today, and I want you to just continue to continue to finish your isometric drawing and complete the assignment that is here on fires. I'm going to add it here now. Any questions, any comments?
Sir, I'm wondering, when we are finished, where are we gonna send it? Or are you gonna give a new?
Finish what exactly?
I mean the isometric.
I can post something here for the isometric.
Right.
So that's
Thank
not, all right, no problem. I will actually call it SBA new, right? So I will put in the thing for the fires there, and I'll also put in the information for the new or updated SBA. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, so any questions, Thierry?
No, sir.
All right, guys, so that is it. I'll end the video and post it on YouTube.